Santa Ana Volcano. This is the view from the summit. At 2,381 meters above sea level, it is the highest point in El Salvador. It's time to check an item off my bucket list. And now we're continuing on our hike. It's a little bit tiring. Difficulty-wise, because I'm out of shape, about a 7 or 8, probably an 8. I'm pretty tired. I didn't sleep very well last night. I slept for about 4 hours and it wasn't very good sleep. And also, I didn't have breakfast. I'm huffing and puffing, guys. Right now, on a scale of 1 to 10, difficulty level, I gotta be honest with you guys, it's a 9 at least, man. I'm not kidding. Very steep, a lot of altitude change. Man, rocky pavement, I'm not lying to you. And now we're gonna go up another steep section. Look at that hill. Oh man. Cuidado. Will I even make it to the top? We'll soon find out. El Salvador, A New Beginning, the series. Roll that intro.
Welcome to El Salvador International.
Hola, hola, hola. Wow, so fun. ¿Quieres sandía, por favor? Got the pupusaria right there, pupusa. Ooh, so beautiful. Wow.
Hay cebada y Jamaica.
What kind of Latina do you think I should date?
Porque somos salvadoreños, tal vez diríamos que salvadoreños.
Oh, welcome to the jungle.
Heladito.
Quiero hiela. ¿Cómo está usted?
Muy bien, corazón.
Oh, corazón. ¿Estás listo? Vámonos.
Bienvenido a El Salvador.
Episode 9 everyone. Today is Monday, a very special day because it happens to be my birthday. Yay! It's 7:12 a.m. right now, so I have like 8 minutes to get ready to go catch the bus because I am gonna hike Santa Ana Volcano, Volcan de Santa Ana. So let's get ready to go. Check out my beautiful view right here. We got Lago de Cotopeque. Beautiful Lago de Cotopeque. Look at that. That's an island right there. An island on the lake. And the sun had risen right over here. I had caught the sun rise too. Beautiful Lago de Cotopeque. And you could hear all the birds. There you go with the island. You can hear all the birds chirping in the morning. All the tropical birds. Let's get going. Huh? Okay. No, está bien. ¿Quieres sandía, por favor?
¿Sandía quiere buscar?
26? 26?
25.
25? Gracias. I think I'll buy something though. I know. No, I'll buy something. Señorita, buenos días, ¿qué tienes?
Dulces.
¿Qué es este?
Es quebradiente.
¿Es caliente?
Sí, quebradiente es.
¿Tiene anything no caliente, no caliente?
Este es quebradiente. Estos son gelatinas, maní salado, clorec.
Peanuts, some jelly.
Okay, I'll take some peanuts then.
Una vez.
Cacahuetes, por favor. ¿Cuánto cuestan?
Unas coras.
Quarter? Okay. Lo siento. Look at that plant. ¿Qué tipo de planta?
Mango.
Mango tree.
Panales.
Árbol de mango.
Sí, sí.
Oh, ¿cuánto cuesta?
No, yo lo cultivé.
Oh, wow.
Sí.
Excelente.
Gracias.
Tú es muy suerte.
Ajá.
Es muy está muy suerte.
Sí, sí.
Gracias.
Bueno.
Hola.
Hello.
¿Cómo están?
Muy bien.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Me llamo Fritz y
Fritz.
yeah,
Mucho gusto. ¿Cómo te
y
llamas?
Yo soy Finia.
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 Mucho gusto, Finia y Fritz. ¿Y de dónde eres?
somos de Alemania.
Alemania. Muy bien. Danke.
De Berlín.
Danke.
De Berlín. ¿Conoces Berlín?
Berlín, sí. Es la capital.
Sí, sí.
La capital de el alemán.
Sí, sí,
Muy
sí.
bien. ¿Te gustan sus vacaciones?
Muy bien.
Muy bien. I met these guys, and what a coincidence. They're going to the Sierra Verde National Park.
Yeah, of
Same
course.
as me. Same as me.
Yeah, it's a volcano day today.
Today is a volcano day. Look at that shirt. Today is a volcano day. Oh, this must be the Mirador. This is the viewpoint. This is a 209 bus, and it goes to Santa and it actually goes on the other side of the lake, and now we're headed to Sierra Verde National Park. Got the pupusaria right there, pupusas. Man.
A few moments later.
Digo que la hora oficial.
As soon as we got off the bus, we joined the group. Here we are given information about the hike.
Siempre está como a la 1:20 a 1:30. Pero es mejor estar antes. Si están a la 1:10 acá, mejor.
Okay, so we started at around 9:40 and we're hiking toward the entrance right now. So we're not at the entrance. We paid the guide $3 per person, and then once we reach the entrance, we have to pay $6 for the national park ticket.
Around 35
Uh-huh.
dollars, including
The hike now. Sendero El Páramo. El Páramo. It's 10 a.m. Let's go. Man, I thought there was gonna be some food stalls right here, but they only have fruits and peanuts and snacks like those and water. So basically, I didn't get to eat any breakfast today. So far, I just had an apple, a pear, and watermelon, and what else? And then I bought some papaya and 2 bananas. So just all fruit thus far. But let's enjoy this hike and let's not even worry about anything. It's 10:15 and we just stopped at a viewpoint, and now we're continuing on our hike. It's a little bit tiring. Difficulty wise, I would say from a scale of 1 to 10, because I'm out of shape, I would say about a 7 or 8, probably an 8. The climate is very nice though. It's nice and cool, and we're shaded by the trees, so yeah, it's a very nice hike, and the air is very fresh and crisp. Got very foggy right here. Now, because of all this fog, it's quite chilly actually. Oh man, this air. It's unbelievable though. I just love this canopy. The tree branches create a canopy and gives you nice shade. Nice cool climate here. Man, let me do a time check. It's 10:21, so we've been hiking for 20 minutes. Still got a long way to go because I believe it's an hour and a half up there. So if that's the case, we're about 1/4 of the way done, and quite an elevation gain. I'll give you the numbers when I find out. And they recommend that each person carries 1 liter of water. I have 1 liter of water in my backpack, which is why my backpack is a bit heavy. I see an agave tree right there. There's 16 of us, including the guide. This is our entire group right here. Look at that beautiful agave tree. I just love the foliage right here. It's about 10:25, so approximately 1/3 of the way there. Wow. I believe this is the first mirador, and that's a volcano right there. Whoa. Not much time to take in the view though, because the guide is leaving más rápido. I believe that volcano erupted. I'll get the exact date for you later. That was a nice view though of the volcano right there. The time is 10:30. And it seems like the trail has flattened out a bit, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty tired. It could be a multitude of things though. I didn't sleep very well last night. I went to bed at I believe 11:30, but I couldn't fall asleep. And I think I fell asleep at around 2 a.m. or so, and I woke up at 4 a.m. went back to sleep, and then I woke up at right before 6 a.m. So I slept for about 4 hours, and it wasn't very good sleep. And also I didn't have breakfast because I passed the stop at where I was supposed to get off the 242 bus and catch the 248, I believe. But it turns out everything worked out. They're way up there. I better hurry up. Hola.
Hola.
¿Cómo está?
Muy bien, ¿y tú?
¿Cómo te llamas? Muy bien, gracias. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Paola.
Paola.
Yes.
Look at that landscape. Oh man, beautiful. Beautiful.
Mi teléfono.
Beautiful. 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 Bonito, bonito.
Muy bonito.
Muy bonito. Woo! Pretty intense, man, let me tell you. Take it from me. This is pretty intense. Wow, look at this view, guys. Look at this view. Dang. It's a little foggy, but dang. It's 10:42 and we just stopped at this viewpoint. And now he's ready. Uno, dos, tres. ¿Estás listo? ¿Estás listo? We're ready to hike again.
Sí.
¿Estamos listo?
Listos.
Listos. Vámonos. Vámonos. El sol ha llegado. El sol. Me extraño. Te extraño. Te extraño. El sol. Cuidado. So there's the trail, guys. It's marked off with the yellow, but you have to come with the guide anyway, so you can't come alone. The guides are here to protect you, and if anything goes wrong, they're here to save your lives. So wow, look at, we approached an incline part of the hike. Wow, this is steep, guys, very steep. Oh man, buen guía, buen guía, buen guía. This guy's está mejor.
Here you go, Ma.
Man, thank you.
The guide said it's a 50-50 chance that we see the lake.
50-50 chance, guys, that we see the lake because of the fog?
Yeah.
Oh man, 50-50 chance. Hey, but luck is on our sides, man. Think about it. My name is Eddie Wu Wanderlust. In travel, he trusts. You rolling with me? Luck is on our side, guys. Are you saying yes to that or no? Yes? Luck is on our side? Yeah. Yay! A little more enthusiasm though, please. Luck is on our side?
Yes.
Yeah! 50-50 chance, guys. I can tell you what's gonna happen though. It's gonna be foggy, but the fog is gonna disperse and then you're gonna see some of it. That's my feelings. There's guys that already completed the hike. Were you able to see it?
Yes.
See? They were able to see it. Despite all the fog, they were able to see it. They were able to see the crater, the blue lagoon. I'm really curious, is it gonna be, bad for the shoes, man, bad for the shoes. Bruh. I'm curious, is it gonna be aqua blue? Is it gonna have some green hints, some green tones? You guys are rolling with me, Eddie Wu Wanderlust. I'm here to show you guys everything. Come on, give me a pound, guys. Boof. I'm gonna show you everything. I'm your guide right now. I got you. I got you. I'm huffing and puffing, guys. Right now, on a scale of 1 to 10, difficulty level, I gotta be honest with you guys. It's a 9 at least, man. Aww. I'm not kidding. Very steep. Great a lot of altitude change. Man, rocky pavement. I'm not lying to you. So, the lady said we're almost there, so we'll see. We'll see. There's gonna be a surprise right there on the top. I'm not gonna tell you right now. You guys just gonna have to watch it till I reach the summit. But there's gonna be a surprise, and I think I will imbibe in his offer. We'll check it out. Time check, it's 11:02 and we're at the last part of the trail, and I'm gonna have to say this is the most difficult. It's very rocky and very steep, and now we're gonna go up another steep section. Look at that hill. Oh man, final part of the trail. Oh gosh, we started at 10, so It's wild that we got here in an hour. I think he sped along this trail. Usually it takes an hour and a half. Our guide is a lot faster than the typical guide. The rocks. Okay, now you can see the volcanic rocks right here. The black rocks. Oh, it's quite chilly here too. Oh baby, I can smell the finish line. Oh, I see people on the top. I see them on the top. You can see them right there. And this is the famous sign right here. Felicidades, has llegado a la cima del volcán Yamatepec, el más alto de El Salvador con 2,381. No intentes descender a creta, tampoco debes bordearlo o acercarte mucho a la orilla, es peligroso. Give me the bronze, guys. Give me the bronze. Give me the bronze.
I will run.
There it is. This is what I was telling you guys about. The secret. The helados. Nieves. Man. This is the ice cream right here. Hola. For the bronze. Oh no, I got the silver. Oh man. I don't think you're supposed to pass these bars. Can't see anything. You can't see anything because of the fog. But you can smell the sulfur though. Woo! It's quite pungent. This señor tiene helados.
Helados,
¿Qué sabor tiene?
zapote,
Zapote.
Nance.
Wait, zapote.
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 Este es zapote.
Zapote.
Fruta nacional.
Fruta
Nance, fruta nacional. Arrayán, fruta nacional. De ahí lo vamos con la mangoneada.
Mangoñara.
Mangoneada, mango. Este es mangoneada.
Mangoneada.
Mango al guaste. El guaste es ayote, calabaza. Vámonos con el chocolate, coco, fresa, chicles gang.
I got the Nance, the national fruit. I'm gonna try it. Are you guys ready? Uno, dos, tres. ¿Estás listo? Let me try it. It has a little, it's sweet and sour though. Tastes quite a lot. Has a little tart taste to it. It's already melted though. The ice cream's already melted. But sort of like a passion fruit, sort of. A little tart. There it is, guys. There it is. The fog dispersed. And we got the view right now. Woo! Wow. Ooh, so beautiful. Wow. Man, that was amazing. Literally, the fog dispersed for about 5 minutes and we had 5 minutes to check out that lagoon. Fritz, come in the camera right here. And he asked me, have I ever seen a green lagoon like that before, or lake? No, I've never seen anything of that shade. Have you?
No.
It was
never,
amazing.
Never. It was my first time.
First time. I mean, I've been to some beautiful natural places like Patagonia where you see the crystal clear blue waters, but not in that shade green.
No, I think it's
What
the
color
sulfur. The sulfur.
That's right. The sulfur created that pigment. What color green would you describe it as? It's not like my shirt,
Yeah,
but I'm
a
wearing.
little bit mint green.
Yeah, it's a mint green.
Yeah,
it's a
like
mint green. That's a good call. Mint green. Oh, and look, it's back. So we have more. We have more opportunity to see it. It's like a mint green. Now the water is very still. It's very still.
I want to throw a rock so badly.
Now this is an active volcano. We need to get the information of, they have these bars right here, and technically you're not supposed to pass these bars. The guide will tell you, don't go too close, you gotta come back, It's for your own safety. I wonder if anybody has fallen here. Ask him. Ask him. Amigo.
Sí.
Este is the guide, right? Anybody ever fall down, calle?
Alguien
¿Alguien?
en el pasado
Ajá.
un
bajado el
accidente.
No.
No?
No.
Okay, that's good. Nobody has fallen in. ¿Por qué este color es muy diferente? The sulfur. It's a lighter shade. Hey, and we didn't even mention it's like a yellowish color right there. A little more yellowish, yellow green right there. Man, that's an amazing experience. You guys have to come here to Cerro Verde National Park and hike the Volcán de Santa Ana. So you guys, highly recommend you guys come and do this hike. It's well worth the trip. All right, I'll see you when I get down. Before I go, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment below, and share this video. And I'll catch you on the next episode. Peace. Woo! Here comes the underdog, Eddie Wu Wanderlust, with the YouTube vlog and travel he trusts. I've been exploring the world for 9 years in a row. I leave no stones unturned. There's no stopping my flow. The underdog will make it. The underdog will make it. The underdog will make it, 'cause I don't fake it.